Russia built one of the most advanced stealth drones in the world, and then blew it out of the sky. This is the S-70 Okhotnik-B, a massive, invisible AI-powered war machine. But in 2024, Russia didn't use it against enemies, they destroyed it themselves. And the reason why is actually insane. This drone was built to change warfare forever. It's huge, almost the size of a fighter jet. It doesn't need a pilot, and it's designed to be almost impossible to detect. Its shape is smooth and flat, like a flying wing, so radar can barely see it. It can carry powerful weapons inside its body, and it can fly alongside advanced fighter jets, like a loyal robot teammate. Imagine a human pilot sending this drone ahead into danger while staying safe behind. So everything sounds perfect, right? A stealth drone, no pilot, super powerful. What could possibly go wrong? In October 2024, during a mission, something went very wrong. The drone suddenly lost control. Now think about this. A secret, high-tech, stealth drone flying straight toward enemy territory. If it got captured, its technology could be exposed to the world. So Russia made a shocking decision. They sent a fighter jet after it, locked on, and destroyed their own drone in mid-air. Yeah, they literally took out their most advanced machine to protect its secrets. This tells us something big. Even the smartest machines can still fail. And when they do, the consequences are huge. This isn't just a drone. It's the future of war, where machines fight, think, and sometimes go out of control. So what do you think? Did Russia destroy it to protect secrets, or hide something bigger? Comment your theory. And if you want more hidden military stories they don't want you to know, like, subscribe, and don't miss the next one.